Yes, you did read the title correctly. In this video, we're going to teach you how to take money off of lonely men and profit massively. And we're going to teach you this all for free.
Now picture a little nerd, plays Rocket League all day, has as much facial hair as a goldfish, never had any female interaction in their life, and works part-time as a Discord mod. This is an extremely lonely bloke. Now he'll be convinced that he's not lonely because he has loads of Xbox friends. However, it doesn't exist. It's all a fantasy, just as their little video games are. Now, these little nerds, if they are convinced that a girl likes them, they can have an online girlfriend and it'll be just as real to them as their online friends. So what we can do is obviously act as their online girlfriend, and they will spend money on these girlfriends or women that they fancy online, and they'll stop spending as much money on FIFA points and transfer that over to spending it on women. But I know what you're thinking, I have a cock, I don't have tits, how am I going to act as someone's online girlfriend?
Luckily, AI exists. AI has the capabilities of creating a fully generated model, 10 out of 10 model as well, which can then be promoted online as an influencer or model, Instagram model, etc. Spicy page model, as we are going to do to be able to take money off these lonely men. Now, like Cole mentioned, they love relationships online. Now, it's quite sad how society has done this to people, but it's their fault for falling for the trap. They're stuck in their lonely little ways inside with no attention, like Cole mentioned. So if you provide them female attention or AI female attention, they're going to absolutely love it. And like Cole said, they already fancy that girl off their video games. So if they then could see that girl talking to them online, they're going to love that even more. And that's where AI modeling comes in. You can create an AI model that looks like any girl and that is in any pose with any scenario just by a click of your fingers. Now, this is why it's so powerful, because these people that are desperate and have been waiting for months to meet a girl that looks exactly like their video game player and to talk to them. Imagine if you could just click that in and then sell it to them. They would be fucking buzzing. They would be the happiest people in their mum's basement, which is ironically just them and his imaginary mates. So he's technically the happiest person in the basement, and that's how you're going to be able to get money off of them.
So all you need to do to be able to start with AI models and actually start making money with this business is simply find yourself an online AI image generator. We can provide one in the description. Learn how to actually generate girls consistently and that look realistic enough for them to actually buy content off. Set up socials for these girls, just like a real girl would have, and find customers to sell to. Now, this is also going to need you to set up somewhere to funnel them to. So I recommend a fan view page. Some people use OnlyFans, Patreon, whatever, but those platforms are more difficult than FanView. So I just recommend going onto FanView. Once you've done this, you can then go searching for customers.
As much as I hate to pleasure these people and give them what they have been dreaming of, they do give you a lot of money in return. So it is worth it. I'd prefer to get them in a rehab center and completely change their life to make them a better person. However, that's not possible considering they lock the door to their basement every day. So providing them this service isn't something you should feel bad about. They absolutely love it and it is fulfilling their dreams. So that is why they supply so much money to these models. This interaction they've been dying for years. So taking money off of these lonely people, as the title said, isn't quite as harsh as it sounds.
It's very simple, supply and demand. Just like any business, they are demanding a supply for online girlfriends, and we are simply fulfilling that demand by supplying that product.
And if you do need help, obviously, with this AI OFM or supplying AI girlfriends, we can provide a community of people that are all doing this already. It's the largest community online, and there's plenty of staff there if you need help setting up and managing this business.
So whether you're looking for a course, a community, or maybe you want a bit of extra help and you want some coaching that goes with that, of course, a little bit more expensive, but we can provide this as well if you want the most successful business possible. Go to the description to learn how to sign up to these products.